Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to import your Metamask wallet to your Trust Wallet application step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to be opening up your Metamask application like so. You open it up, you give it some time to load up. Once Metamask has opened up, you head straight to your settings by clicking on the hamburger icon to the top left corner of the screen. Once there, you head over to settings, click on security and privacy. Once that's done, click on review secret recovery phrase and you enter your password. And once that's done, you head over to Trust Wallet. You head over to Trust Wallet. Once Trust Wallet opens up, you're going to be met with a passcode that you input. And once you've inputted the passcode, you'd be given access to the Trust Wallet platform. You go to the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, click on wallet, and we're in wallet now. You head over to the plus icon at the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on it, you click on I already have a wallet. You click on multi-coin wallet. After clicking on the plus icon, you're taken to the import multi-coin wallet menu. You paste the address, you importing, and voila, your wallet was imported successfully, and this is your Metamask wallet. Okay guys, thank you for joining in today. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to import your Metamask wallet to your Trust Wallet application step by step. Thank you.